Good morning, everyone. I know that today is a nice day, so today we're going to be doing a few activities. So first off, let's go freshen up. Now, all of you must take turns in each of the two showers. Make sure to utilize the water properly, because if you use one water heater way too much, it will finish out, and the other person might have to shower with cold water or hot water. And remember, each and every one of you have at least 5 minutes each to shower. After this, we're heading over to the eating aisle. Meantime, I'm just going to be cleaning up the mess that you both made after showering and bringing out the water and splashing it all over everyone. You guys have 2 minutes left. Anyways, I'm done. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I need to brush my teeth. Like, it's a basic necessity that I need. Okay, brush my teeth. Okay, I'm done. Now I can do something. I can just put my headphones in the bag and we can go. Welcome to the eating aisle. Each and one of you, please take a seat on the table, and we will make a plate for each and every one of you with the same quantity and amount of food on each and every one's plate. First up, we have Jaydah and Rakaya to eat first, because there's not that much space. This was the best food that I've ever eaten. I love the mashed potatoes and the fruits. Now everyone line up. Now we're gonna go swimming. Make sure to be careful. Understand me? Hello, and I am your swimming guide tour. Today we're gonna be swimming. I'm very happy to see all of you properly suited up. Be careful now. Everyone, jump into the water. Hello, and I am your instructor. And all of you, please follow me into the water one by one. Okay, good swimming skills, Steven. Perfect. Next up, we have Jaydah. Jaydah, good swimming skills too. Sorry, Gina. Okay, now Roshika, let's see. Nice. Anyways, now that we're all under here, we're going to be doing a few activities now under the water. Just look around you. As you can see, we have different kinds of fish. We have the spotless crayfish, the axolotl, the zapper fish, and we also have the poisonous seagull. Now all of you, please go back up to the surface. And here also we have our jumping paddle. We call it the jumping paddle. So now all of you are going to try this out one by one. So, you all may proceed to the jumping paddle. Sorry, saddle. Jumping saddle. Woohoo! This is so much fun! I can feel my spur being lifted up right now. You all be careful because this is right out the water, and make sure to save some energy for what we're going to be doing after this. Now that you're all done in the jumping saddle, we're going to head on out of the water. I hope you all enjoyed your swimming lessons in the lake. Now all of you have to be changing back into your normal clothes, and we'll be heading over to another venue. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I think I should just wear this shirt. I don't really think I should wear this skirt either because I wore it. Maybe let's just find something. Okay, I'm gonna change my shoes into that. No. I'm just gonna keep this ones. And keep my shirt back in there. My shorts, I'm gonna wear it. And my hoodie as well. So many mosquitoes around here. Put my swimsuit, my tablet, my goggles, my water bottle, my sleeping bag, and my chocolate for hydration, protein bar to be exact, and my tent, which I really won't be using that much, but makes sense. Okay, now everyone please follow me. Hello, and my name is Wanda. Welcome to the camping site. Now this is where all the wonders start. Now this is where all of us will be camping in midday, while in the night we might have some extreme fun. Anyways, everyone make themselves feel comfortable and at home, and we'll have some activities later on, like singing near the campfire, playing with the animals, and etc. Okay, now guys, it's nighttime. I hope everyone had a good nap. Now we're going to be singing near the campfire.
Hey Jaydah, yeah? You know it's so cold, and the way how she sings is so beautiful. It just gives me goosebumps. I know that, isn't that right?
And everyone is fast asleep. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with family and friends and more. Bye!